It's charity shop day today. I'm taking the subway there, so I will see you on the subway, I guess. I am hungry, I am chilly, and I'm a bit tired, so I'm gonna go find somewhere to eat and probably chill in the park for a bit. I'll take videos of that and I'll show you there. Okay, so I'm really lost right now. I think I'm in Glasgow University, but I do not know. But I was trying to get to the green and completely failed, went the opposite direction. But I'm here instead, which is a cool spot. I got distracted when I was trying to get food, which meant I went to all the vinyl shops, I went to all the CD shops on my way to try to get food, got lost, found my way back, went to a random place where PG fast food, where I have tater tots, or I don't remember what they called them, like potato blasts, frozen grapes, and a Dr. Pepper float, which is meant I had it on the way here. But yeah, no clue where I am right now. Just gonna go for it. Let me test. Oh, it's cold. Does not taste nice, but it is something to eat. I paid £7 for all this, so Dr. Pepper float, potatoes, not a lot. It's really not good. I'm sure it's nice when it's hot. I've been walking for ages just trying to find somewhere to sit. I'm on the dirt. I don't have anything to sit on. It's also raining. Well, on and off rain, so I'm just hoping it doesn't start up because I forgot my jacket, which is very unlike me. Right, I'm gonna eat this and then fill you in. They're just grapes, don't worry. Okay, I fed the magpie grapes because I bought frozen grapes, but they're a bit my teeth are a bit sensitive for them. So I had a few of them, but I also gave them to the magpies. So I think I've made 2 little friends. I finished my food. It was alright, but I'm still a bit hungry. So I think I will head into town, buy things for dinner, and I'll probably have an early dinner. I'm starved, man. I didn't end up buying anything that I wanted to buy. I wanted to get a coat for Depper's cosplay for this upcoming Comic-Con, and here's my friend. And I wanted to maybe get a CD or 2, but I've already got 2 CDs from HMV. I got the rest of the car seat headrest ones I needed, so I'll head into town and I'll get what I need for dinner, and I'll probably film me making dinner, like my night routine. I don't know. I don't do vlogs very often, but we'll see. I have made it back home successfully. My hair's flat because I've been wearing a hat all day. Do not judge me. I've put all my stuff away. It's currently... I'll come back to you, but it is too early for dinner. I can have dinner at an hour earliest because it's 5. No, well, it's 4 right now, so I'll have dinner at 5-ish. Right now, I'm probably going to edit this video and just chill. I will see you when I'm making dinner or doing something noteworthy. Okay, so that is all the footage I took of dinner. I was very hungry. I am very tired. And I'm going to watch my shows and go to sleep after I've had my Kinder Bueno. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is the first vlog I've ever done, so if it's really, really bad, cut me some slack. Toodaloo!